Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting to explore the world of sweet and savory treats, having the right tools can make all the difference. A quality bakeware set not only ensures even baking and easy cleanup, but also adds a touch of confidence to every creation that comes out of your oven. In this guide, we're rounding up the 5 best bakeware sets that combine performance, durability, and value. Number 5. Corot 9-piece non-stick stackable baking pan set. Bakeware sets including cookie sheets, muffin pan, bread pan, cake pan, loaf pan, roasting pan, gray khaki. About this item: professional non-stick coating. Corot 9-piece bakeware set uses a professional non-stick coating that makes it easy to release either cakes, cookies, or breads with effortless cleaning. High-quality carbon steel material. The thickness of only 0.5 mm thin high carbon steel, heated more quickly and evenly with no hot. Space-saving stackable design. Designed with suitable size and can be stacked together, saving you 50% storage space. Neat and uncluttered for those who love to bake but struggle with storage. Perfect cooking combination. Corot baking set includes 1x15-inch cookie sheet, 1x15, roaster pan, 1x9, loaf pan, 1x6 cup muffin pan, 1x12 cup muffin pan, 1x9, round pan, 1x9, square pan, 1x spatula, and 1x oil brush. Covering all your baking needs, enjoy delicious flavors with ease. Number 4. Hongbake 9-piece baking pan set. Non-stick, stackable non-toxic bakeware sets with diamond texture. Oven pan set for cooking, includes cookie sheet with rack, cake pan, roasting pan, muffin pan, gold. About this item: elegant diamond texture. Elevate your kitchen with the elegant diamond texture. This refined bakeware features a diamond pattern that ensures even heating for perfect baking results, while adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. Versatile set, perfect for baking, roasting, and more. This complete 9-piece baking pan set is an ideal starter collection for new bakers. It includes a jelly roll pan, 15.35 10.241.1 in, half sheet pan, 17.5 to 11.811.18 in, with a cooling rack, 16.38 10.24 in, 2 round cake pans, 9.33 9.33 2.05 in, 12 cup muffin pan, 13.78 10.43 1.18 in, roasting pan, 15.55 11.611 1.97 in, 1.5 pounds loaf pan, 9.455 5.59 2.72 in, square cake pan, 9.45 9.45 1.77 in. Number 3. Baking set, 6-piece, deluxe non-stick black coating inside and outside, carbon steel bakeware set, PFOA and PTFE free by Bakeware. About this item: baking set, upgrade your tired and worn bakeware with our 6-piece set. It is restaurant quality, made from flexible and non-stick carbon steel, and is commercial grade to ensure longevity and premium results. Size information: there are 6 items included in this set. Roasting pan measuring 14.37 by 9.65 by 1.97 inches, a medium cookie sheet. Measuring 14.57 by 10.23 by 0.6 inches, 2 round cake pans measuring 10.04 by 8.66 by 1.97 inches, a loaf pan measuring 10 by 5.75 by 2.25 inches, and a 12-cup muffin pan measuring 13.8 by 10.4 by 1.18 inches. All items have a thickness of 0.5 millimeters. Premium quality, durable and reliable. All items in the non-stick cookware set feature an attractive and stylish non-stick black silicone coating, suitable for a range of bakes. Roast meat in the roasting pan, make cookies on the cookie sheet. Number 2. Hongbake bakeware sets, Baking Pan Set, Non-stick oven pan for kitchen with wider grips, 10 pieces including rack, cookie sheet, cake pans, loaf pan, muffin pan, pizza pan gray. About this item, all-in-one set various cuisine. It will complete 10-piece baking set has a scientific and reasonable collocation, including a roasting pan, 1510.2 2.3 iron, a half-sheet pan, 1712 1 iron, a jelly roll pan, 1510 1 iron, a cooling rack, a standard size muffin pan, 14.69.81.2 iron. Widened stackable design home-baked baking sets with commercial-grade reinforced wide grips are the perfect combination of ergonomics for better grip and to avoid slipping. Suitable for all age groups, designed for seniors and children, our widened handles are easy for them to better grip. Made of heavy-duty carbon steel, this baking pan set is perfect for bringing out 100% of the flavor of the ingredients. Premium extra thick material with 27% thicker carbon steel, this durable baking sheet set. Number 1. Amazon Basic 6-piece non-stick carbon steel oven safe bakeware set, 16.25 by 11.75 by 6.25 inches. About this item, 6-piece bakeware set includes a 9x 5-inch loaf pan, 2 round 9-inch cake pans, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 13x 9-inch roast pan, and a 13x 9-inch baking sheet, non-stick coating for effortless food release and easy cleaning. Heavyweight steel construction for thorough, even heating, oven safe to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, part of the Amazon Basics non-stick bakeware collection, made without PFAS,